You've got to the end of this Python for Penetration Testers course. Hereby, I present my honest congratulations and I wish you the best of luck in applying your new learned skills to productive, goodwill, and personal satisfying purposes. To augment or further expand your knowledge of Python and penetration testing, I suggest a few materials. Now, let's start with a few books. So the first one is Christopher Duffy, Python Penetration Testing for Developers. Another one is TJ O'Connor's Violent Python, which is a very good book. Then I suggest you look into Cameron Buchanan's Python Web Penetration Testing Cookbook. And finally, I suggest you look into Bastian Bowman's Understanding Network Hacks, Attack and Defense with Python. Then I recommend going to YouTube and watching playlists of Python penetration testing videos. I've made many videos on my channel on the topic as well, so you can look at my channel following this link. And ultimately, I suggest you practice your skills by writing Python scripts and testing them in safe environments, such as controlled personal virtual machines. If you have trouble with inspiration for what scripts and programs to write, the books I suggested earlier will come very in handy. And if you have money to spare, you can always go to attackdefenselabs.com and other similar platforms and look into the Offensive Python section for a great selection of realistic scenarios where you can apply your Python skills for penetration testing. Finally, be sure to follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter because I might be working on a Python for Penetration Testing Advanced and other courses in the future. Feel free to reach me out on those platforms as well. Once again, congratulations for reaching the end of this course, and I look forward to see you in the future.